Hello. This is going to be your lesson on how to use number lines to add integers. So the first thing that we're going to do here is at the top, we're going to cross out example 1 and we're going to cross out example 2 because we are not going to do our problems like that. The other thing that you need to do here is you need to write your essential question. So what this is how do I add integers on a number line? And what we're going to do here is there's a couple things you need to know. When you do this, the first problem is 4 plus -5. Well, whenever you model on a number line, you always start at 0. So the first number is +4. So we are going to go from 0 to +4. Now the second number is -5. That means, since it's negative, we have to go to the left because the negative numbers are to the left, which means all of these numbers over here are negative, so we need to go in that direction towards those negatives. And we are going to go 5 spots to the left. So from 4, and what I'm showing you here is just how to count it. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which means we're going to end at -1. But I'm not going to draw or keep that what I just drew on here. So what we need to do now is we need to go back to -1, and that's our answer. So we know we always start at 0. The first move is to the first number, and the second move is to the answer. So this answer is going to be -1. The next problem, again, we are going to start at 0. So we go from 0 to -7. And now, since the positive numbers are over here, we're going adding 2, which is going in the direction of +2, because that 2 is positive. It means we're going to move 2 spots to the right from where we already are. And we're at -7, so 2 spots would end up at -5. So I looped it to get to there. And now I draw it back to -5. And my answer is -5. For the third example, again, we start at 0, and it's a -3. The negative's to the left, so I go 3 spots to the left to -3. And now the second number is -4. So that means I have to go 4 spots to the left because negative's to the left. So I'll be 1 more, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to end at -7. So my answer is -7. And again, I'm going to erase those spots where I moved it. Now, let's go to the next one. The first number is 1, so I'm going to start at 0 and go to 1. And the second number is a +7, so I have to go 7 to the right because positives always go to the right. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And hopefully you knew that the answer was 8 from the time we started, because 1 plus 7 has been 8 since first grade for you. The next one, first number's 3, so it's +3, so we're going to go 3 to the right. So I just drew that. And now since it's a -12, we have to go to the left 12 spots. So I'm going to just loop that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in this case, it's going to end the whole way out here at -9. So, in conclusion or in summary, positive numbers move right. Negative numbers move left. And you always start at 0. If you can remember those 3 things, doing these number lines should be a little bit easier. Since you've now completed your notes, you're going to move on to doing the number line practice, which if you follow the second thing or the list, if you go in order of the lesson, you will see that you're going to have to upload another PDF to Notability. And then I've also put in the assignments, or put in the folder a link to show you how to go from Notability to Schoology. So you're going to then submit it onto Schoology. If you have questions, please do not hesitate to reach out.